What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forrest Scott shooting this video to share with you some of the results that I'm getting today on a trade that I'm taking on AUDCHF, utilizing our PETS perfect entry trading system. We have a couple of tools that we're testing out. We have a couple of dashboards that we're adding to the system. One of them is our PETS Super Beast dashboard, but we'll get into that in a later session or a later discussion. Right now, I saw a setup on AUDCHF. I'm on a 5-minute chart right now. I saw it on a higher time frame, but I got down to the 5-minute chart. That way I can get a sniper entry on this rally. So what I saw was there was an uptrend going on from here. We saw this uptrend forming, also creating a trend channel. We have some other tools that we're adding inside of the template and inside of the actual PET system based off of pattern formations, wedges, pennants, harmonics, things like that. We'll get into that in another discussion. But we saw a setup on AUDCHF. I saw multiple confirmations that this upward trend reversal was about to turn around. We got numerous indications in this area that this uptrend was nearing its end. It started hitting some resistance. Notice the market started going sideways a little bit. We got some more indications of a sell. So from this point forward, I had set up 1, 2, 3, 4 sell stop orders. So if this confirmation was to hold, then we would get a turnaround. We would get a rally to the downside, and it will activate my orders back. I'm looking to bring this back down to the support level. We have other support levels down here. So far we're up combined 20 pips. All 3 of these trades so far are in profit. I still have one more to activate. But this system is very, very accurate once you understand top-down analysis, once you go through our educational platform, and once you have a good idea how to utilize the system properly. As long as you're utilizing proper risk management, you will see yourself winning on a consistent basis, on a weekly basis, based off of the signals and based off of some of the templates that we have inside of the system. So as you can see right now, we're up. I have one that's up 13 pips. That's the top one. This one is up 6 pips. This one is up 2 pips. And I have one more to activate. So all in all, we have 4. It looks like one, I might have 2 in the same spot. But we have 4 trades running right now. All 4 of them, well, 3 out of 4 of them are in profit. This one right here is 3 pips in the negative, which is fine. I'm expecting this price to come down to at least the support level here, or at least to our, I believe this is the 68.2. No, it's not. All right, so I'm expecting price to come down here, maybe to this area. So I'm gonna start taking profits around this area here, which will give us about a good 50 to 60 pips from the top. So I should receive, or profit is about 75 to 100 pips combined if it reaches this level. If it can reach this level, I should see at least 100 pips combined. Being that I stack the trades, I'm not just taking one trade, I'm taking actually 4 trades. And out of those 4 trades, I should see a combined 100 pips for the day on AUDCHF. And I'm probably will be done for the day. I may not start trading again until London, but that is the goal, to at least catch 20 to 50 pips a day. If I can do that on a consistent basis, we're teaching people in the group on how to do that in consistent basis. We have people that are catching 300 to 400 pips a day. I've seen days where we caught over 1,000 pips a day, utilizing the system, the signals, and some of the traders that we have inside of our group. We have multiple 5- and 6-figure traders inside of the Winner Circle group. We have 7-figure traders inside of our overall community and our educational platform. So get in touch with me if you're trying to scale up on your trading, if you're trying to learn how to trade Forex on a more consistent basis, if you're looking for extra tools, extra confirmations to help you with your setups, to help you with your markups or your signals, get in contact with me so I can get you set up. I can get you connected to the system. You only have to pay a one-time fee if you want to be access to just the system. you can pay a one-time fee. If you want to get access to the system, the live trainings, the tools, the educational platform, and the signals, you can get started today for $99. You pay that $99, you will get access to the educational platform. Once you go through our 2-week syllabus and you show us that you're dedicated to training, you will get access to the PET system for an amazing discount. So get in contact with me, get in contact with anybody that's inside the Winner Circle group. That way you can get in touch with not just our Winner Circle group, not just our 5- and 6-figure traders, but once you join our educational platform, you'll also get in contact or get in touch with other 7-figure traders that is inside of our community. You will get access to our 2-week syllabus. You'll get access to our Winner Circle chat, our Winner Circle live sessions, our daily signals, and eventually, after you finish your 2-week syllabus, you will get access to the PET system for under $100. If you wanted to just pay the one-time fee, you can pay a one-time fee of $300. You will get full access to the entire system. You will get access to our daily signals, and you will only have to pay it for a one-time fee. But if you want access to the full shebang, the education, the live training sessions, the signals, access to our 5-, 6-, and 7-figure traders, and the PET system, along with our 2-week syllabus, you can get started today for $99. And after you pay your $99, we're going to put you into a study group. You're going to go through the study group for 2 weeks, follow the 2-week syllabus. And once you see that you're able to trade with consistency, then you will get access to the PET system for added confirmations just to increase your win ratio. So hopefully you make the wise decision. Hopefully you're staying safe during this time. We're going through a major crisis nationwide. We're having a pandemic all across the world. Right now, we're going through a global economic reset. You do not want to get stuck on the wrong side of the fence when everything blows over. So hopefully you and your family have an amazing 2020. Hopefully you get in contact with me or somebody that's inside the Winner Circle group. That way you get access to an amazing educational platform and some amazing tools that can help you create financial freedom for you, yourself, your family, and for everyone you come in contact with. I'll see you in the next video.